Okay, so 2015 Cruze. We're gonna replace door hinge on the passenger side. So what it does, the door drop. See, that's a little bit lower. And it's this door hinge. If I lift it, so that's what it does. It's loose at the bottom. So that's 10 millimeter, and inside there is 13 millimeter. So before we able to get in there, I'm gonna loosen up the fender there, screw, and there is another screw for the fender around there. See if I can get in there, because this way there's no space really. So I got this from local scrapyard. It's basically like new. It's a black color. Clean up the rust a little bit. They charged me $10, which is, I can live with that. So I pulled this liner from the fender to get on those screws. This connector here too. So here is the screws. That's number size 13. And just like that. And just like that. So we took out the two size 13 screws from this. Now we're gonna take out these two screws, size 10, and that should come out now. So that's a new part. Put some grease there. I have to adjust the door a little bit. So that's all tight. And the door I have to line the door a little bit. So it's all good aligned. It's working. I just have to put this back, so that's how you get in there.